talking? Fresh arrival, 2023 Newmar Ventana. The model number is 4328. It's a Ventana. It's on a Spartan 400 horsepower turbo diesel, dual tag axle, full body paint. We got the egress door out here. And take a look at the almost $20,000 option. Those beautiful Girard awnings. Wow. Lots of basement doors. Stay till the end of the video. I'm going to show you those basement doors. But for now, I am super excited about the outside.
Did you see the outside TV?
K2 400 chassis. Beautiful fiberglass cap here in the back. Look at that. Almost a full wall slide.
Window awnings too.
All right, the outside looks great. Let's go take a look inside. All right, folks, here we go. Walking into the Newmar. Ding dong. Let's go. I'll just shut this door. Woohoo. Take a look at that. Look how big those seats are. Even my butt will get there. Looks comfy. All right, so this dining table will go down and that will turn into a bed. Take a look at this kitchen. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. What's this? It's new. It's a dishwasher. I like that. This is an all-electric coach, folks. So this cooktop, induction cooktop can actually come out, unplug, and you bring it outside. It sells a convection microwave. Look at the attention to detail. Absolutely beautiful. That sofa turns into a bed. Nice big window. You'll see MCD roller shades throughout. What do I see right there? That's a televator. All right, up front, passenger seat with a power footrest. There's a charging pad for your phone. Of course, this has nav, backup camera, side view cameras, your electronic automatic stability for your jacks. Here's the Allison transmission controls. It's a digital dash on this Spartan chassis. Even the furniture quality, incredible. Place to put your remote controls. Across from that televator TV. Absolutely exquisite. Take a look at that backsplash. Dual stainless steel sinks. Cabinets, absolutely beautiful. Whirlpool fridge, just like at home. Water dispensing, and there is an ice maker in there. Let's take a look at this pantry. Extra wide drawers, look. So you press in, and they come right out. So they actually lock into place. Did you hear that? That is some quality wood. All right. Behind this door, this is a bath and a half floor plan. We got ourselves a push button porcelain toilet. Beautiful sink. A very well placed fan. Some more cabinets. And then out back here, you'll notice the master bedroom. Of course it's got a king size bed. Not only does it have a king size bed, but that is adjustable via air. Press a button and you can make this mattress more firm or softer. Reading lights, opposing windows in that slide for great cross ventilation. His and her closets. Place to put your electronics. Yeah, that's a third interior TV. Towards the back, Art Deco. And towards the back, dual vanities, dual medicine cabinets, tons of storage. Another push button porcelain toilet. Look at this shower. Nicer than at home. Incredible. You got your egress door or your emergency exit. You can live in this thing. We got a washer dryer combo in your back closet here. We got a safe, that's for your gas money. Beautiful, beautiful closet. This here is for the dinette when you want to turn that into a bed. Finished work in a Newmar is absolutely unreal. Yes, we are in a Ventana, and this does have heated tile floor. Optioned in with a dishwasher. Like, there is $62,000 American of options in this unit. I don't know what the Dutch Star really gives you more. 50 more horsepower. This is super well equipped. Here's your high, medium, and low floor heating. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. I certainly hope to see you soon. Haha! You thought I forgot those basement doors, didn't ya? Here we go. Basement door number 1, storage. That tray will slide both ways, this way and on the other side. More storage. Another tray, only a small one on this side though. There's your pegboard for your tools. We got the chassis batteries. Let's keep going. Over up on the other side, take a look at more storage. Voila! There's your DEF fluid. Take a look at this very well organized storage bay. Nice. 50 amp power connection on a power reel. Your Oasis hydronic heating system. And the other side of, oh yeah. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Just 8.
That's 8 house batteries with a battery disconnect.
And electronics out front. All right. Now the video's complete. Bye for now.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.